previous video we have discussed about the web development topic. In this video we're going to study about the basic HTML tag. So the first thing is why actually we are studying HTML. Now for that we have to understand that if you are considering a particular website, you can use it. If you go to the various websites, say any website, I am saying that ClickBuzz, and you go to the view page source part, by right clicking it, you will see that a series of text coming here. You will see that at the first part of the text there is some HTML tag implemented in it. So from here we will see that for every website creation page, either it is very small website or very big website, there is the embedding of HTML part in that. So it is a necessity that we have to understand about HTML. The first tag which is implemented in HTML is doctype HTML. If we are considering a doctype HTML tag, why we are using it? We are using it because every time there is some updates in the HTML, it will be automatically get implemented here. So for the creation of the updation part, we are using it. Now after that we have HTML tag which has opening as well as closing. Now in this is the syntax of opening it, and this is the syntax of closing it. Every tag will come inside it. After HTML we have a head tag. Inside head tag we either use to combine it with the CSS document, or we can use it for writing the title. I am writing here title for my web page. My name is Gaurav. Now after that we have to close it, because you have to remember it in the basics HTML tag we have to closing as well as opening tag. After head we have the body tag. The body tag is something where the content of the page is to be implemented. The thing which we gonna implement here will directly be implemented in the content of the web page. It is also the basic HTML tag, so we have to open as well as close it. Now inside body tag, the first tag is paragraph tag, that is used for implementation of paragraph to our web page. I'm just taking a particular paragraph, say my name is Gaurav and I am Indian. I'm just taking a small sentence. It is not actually a paragraph, but for the clarity of you, I'm just taking it. Now after that, so every paragraph has some heading which we will implement with the help of heading tag. There are 6 types of heading tag. The first part is H1 tag. Suppose I'm writing my name as the heading. There are 6 such tag: H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, and H5 and H6 tag. I'm just copying it and we're gonna paste it. Now I'm just doing it. The difference between various of these tags are, as we increase the heading number, say from H1 to H2, from H2 to H3, from H3 to H4, and same like simultaneously, we will see that on increasing the heading number, the font value or font weight will be decreased, which will be better visible when we actually show you the web page. So let's get started. I'm saving it, Ctrl S, and I'm now going to the web page. I'm going to open with Google Chrome. You will see that here. First of all, we go to the title bar, where we will see that the title of the web page is implemented here. After that, we will see that the series of my name has been appeared here according to the H1 tag. As we are increasing from H1, the first part is H1. After that, this is H1. After that, this is H2. This is H3. This is H4. This is H5, and this is H6. As we are increasing the heading number, there is decrease in font. After that, we have implemented the paragraph. All the paragraph is not long as we have considered, but it is in this review we are going to create it. So after that, at last we say you to just subscribe our channel, like it, and press the bell icon for further video. Thank you.